I have 2014 Mercedes-Benz ML350. The customer stated that when he drives and it turns on, the fan is making squeaking noise. I drive I drove it around, and the fan was actually making a lot of noise. So today we're gonna take out the blower motor, and I will teach you guys on how to take it out. So keep watching. All right, let's get to work. The blower motor is on the passenger side. You have to go on the passenger side to access it. And it's right here. It's over there. Alright, so we're gonna be taking out the bottom panel on the passenger side. I'm using a T20, T-Torque 20. There's 1, 2, 3 bolts on, 3 in the front, and is there any more in the back? There's 1 in the back. Alright, so just pull the panel down like this. Pull it down, and then is there any more? I can't get it up. There's 1, 2. No, that's it. And then pull the panel down. So you gotta pull down the carpet just a little bit. There you go. And then pull out. You can pull this out. Should slide right off. So there's going to be this harnesses. Just take them out. Okay, there's 1 and 2 harness. Just take them out. Press the tab, and then pull the plug. For this side, I'll just slide it to the side, or if you want, so for this you have to press this down and then slide it. There you go. See it? Let me do it again so that y'all can see it. Alright, so there's a knob, there's a little bit of hook there. It's locked. There's a lock. This is the lock. Just press it down and then slide it off. Okay, there you go. Now that we have this open, this is the blower motor that we're trying to take out right here. Okay. there's a harness there. Honestly, you can just take up the harness once we got this out, so it save us the hassle. This is also T20. And 3 bolts that's holding the blower motor. Once we get that out, is there one more? Oh, there's one more here on the side, so there's 4. One more here in the middle. Alright, that's it. The harness is on the way. Well, technically you could just move this around and then now we can see the harness. So just press the tab and pull the plug, same as any sockets. Pull it, press the tab, pull the plug. Alright, that's it. Alright, so we got the blower motor out. We gotta make sure that it's the same as the new one. The resistor is actually built in. No, it's not built in. You can get it separately. So I'm gonna use the old resistor because the new one didn't come with it. This is the resistor right here. Alright, let me get the new one. Yep, so this is the new one from Mercedes-Benz. Doesn't come with the blower resistor, so you have to get the old one and transfer it to the new one. Okay. Yeah, these resistors are pretty expensive. Make sure it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. This is the old one, this is the new one. Okay, we're just gonna transfer the resistor of the old one to the new one. It's T20. There's only 2 bolts. Okay, comes right off, which is good. So if ever you're driving and you start hearing some hissing sound coming from the dashboard, this is the problem. Just change the blower motor, should be good. So the harness is coming from the blower motor. It's gonna plug into the resistor. Make sure it snaps. You hear it click. That's what you want. Okay, now we're gonna install it. These blower motors do get bad over time, so if it goes bad on you, that's all right. That's part of the maintenance. Putting it back is just the reverse of taking it out. So yeah, easy. So when you place it back, there's 2 grooves or vacuum, or there's two vents that you have to make sure it's aligned. Otherwise, the air is gonna start leaking out. So make sure it's aligned. Once you place it there, get the bolts. There's one here in the middle of the two vents. Don't forget to put back the harness. You got one in. There's one more. Just plug it in. Make sure you hear it click. Oh, it didn't click, but it's way in there. That's good. So now we're gonna put the panel back. All right. Place the panel. This part is going inside first because this is where the carpet goes. And make sure when the sensor, the sensor is in there before you actually put it. So sensor is pretty straightforward. This is the sensor. Slide it here. Make sure you hear it lock. Same thing for the other harness. Just plug it in. I'm going to pull the rug while inserting the panel. Make sure the panel is stuck in. Okay, now it's settled. What we're gonna do next is put the other bolts back, which are T20. One, that's two. Three. Four. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope this video helped you guys in some way. If you have any comments, concerns, or even just want to say hi to us, just let me know. Write it down in the comment section. I really hope that you guys finish your project today. or you get it fixed. Remember, the reason why we replace this is either when you use the fan, you start hearing any hissing sound. If it's not hissing, it's something else. If you turn on the fan and the fan is not working, it's either the fan itself or the resistor that we took out. The resistor that we took out here. Okay, so if you want to make sure that the fan is not working, you can put a direct power to it, plug here, positive to positive, negative to negative. If it works, it's gonna spin. If it doesn't spin, then it's bad. That's pretty much it. So yeah, appreciate you guys watching till the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye bye.